Good afternoon. I am going to show you how to use something called Windows Easy Transfer. This is a program that will allow you, it's a utility actually that comes with Windows 7 that allows you to take all of the settings and files and some applications or some application data, from an old computer. You maybe bought a new computer and this is just a quick and easy way to take everything from the old computer to the new computer. Or if you are updating to a new operating system, it will take everything from the old system and put it on the new one. It's really quick. It's really easy. The file here says it only takes about 20 minutes, but it really depends on your computer. It can take up to an hour sometimes, depending on your computer. So you're going to start at Start. Then we want All Programs here. Accessories up here at the very top. System Tools. And then you'll see that there are two Easy Transfer. One is a report and one is the actual program. You want Easy Transfer, not the report. This is just a quick, easy little overview of what all it can do. There are three ways that you can do this. You can use a cable transfer from one computer to another computer. You can transfer from one computer to another computer over a network, or this would be something done by a network engineer. If they upgrade systems, they would just transfer everybody's files. Or if you're doing this at home, you can use an external hard disk or USB flash drive. This is really easy to do. Actually does not take that long at all. We're going to use the flash drive. This is my old computer or new computer. Old computer being the one you want to get the information from. New computer the one you want to put put it onto. This will take quite a few minutes, so I'm going to put a pause and we will be back in a minute. Okay, so now we have it has completed its scan. It has found 1.1 gigabytes of information on my user account and 800 megabytes in shared items. You could come in here to customize, and you'll see this is all of the areas that perhaps we want to get. And if you come down here and you click Advanced, there's even more data on what you're going to put in. And you can see I could come in and I could say, alright, save my links to and save my searches. I don't want my contacts. You get to choose exactly what you want. We're not going to mess with this, so I'll just say cancel. That way it doesn't have to do any more thinking. We're going to say next. It wants you to have a password in case your flash drive gets in the wrong hands. And we're just going to use the word password. You could use anything you wanted. We're going to click Save. Now it's saying, hey, where do you want me to put this? There's my hard drive and there's my flash drive. So we're just going to say save it right there. Saying, is there a specific folder? We're saying no, so we're just going to save it again. And this will take a little bit of time. This is actually one of the things that does take quite a bit of the time. So I will see you again in a minute. Okay, so now we've saved our settings, and this is the screen that comes up here. We're going to click Next. This tells you where you saved it. and the name of the file. We're going to click close, and you want to let it close completely before getting to Froggy. We're going to click Start All Programs and go right back where we were before. Accessories, System Tools, Easy Transfer. Okay, we see all of this. So we're going to click an external hard drive. This is the new computer. It asks, are the old files already saved? We say yes. Okay, it says where is this information? Where do we find it? And it's on my D drive, and it's right there, and it puts the file name in right there. They say open, and remember your little password that we're supposed to remember, which was password, if I can type correctly today. And now it's going to be opening the file, and this is another process that can be rather lengthy. Something that you want to remember while you're doing this entire process, you want to be doing as little as possible on your computer while you're doing this, because it can mess it up if you have too many things open, if you're working in your files. So you want to be doing this when there's nothing else going on with your computer. You can start it, go do, watch TV, do your laundry, whatever, and then come back and do what needs to be done. I'm going to put it on a quick pause. Okay, the next thing that you're going to do is that this screen will come up, and you get to choose what you want to transfer. If you click in here to customize again, you'll see exactly what it is, and this is like that last stop of choosing what's going to go on the new computer. I'm gonna go into advanced, and we're going to cancel that to get back to the screen. Now the next step is to hit transfer, and I will tell you that this is the longest piece of it, because it's the actual job of transferring the data. So this will be a good little pause while it gets what it needs to do done, to the point where we have made the transfer and this screen comes up. And this is that reports area I was telling you about. You have two choices, and actually when you bring one of them up, you can get to both of them. But so you see what was transferred. This will take a second to come up. So here's the transfer report, that is what was loaded. And then the program report, that's a report that says these are our applications that were on your old computer. That you might need to run some of these programs. Do you want to see if you need it on your new one? You know how many of us go to start to use a program and don't realize that our new computer does not have it. So you look here, and it tells you just the quick statistics of what exactly was done. Here's the programs, and if you look, you've got all sorts of it keeps a track of all of the different reports that you've actually made, all of the transfers that you've made. Usually you only have one there, but I've done this several times for this video. And then all you have to do is close out of this, and it will of course cycle down, and let's real quick, we'll look at one more thing. We're going to go to Start, All Programs, Accessories, System Tools. We will start that up real quick. Next. And you see there's nothing new here, so we've done it correctly. And that is how you use Windows Easy Transfer.